morning, class 10. Light. Continue. Question number 5. State scientific reasons. A number. A convex lens is also called a converging lens. A convex lens is also called a converging lens. The half answer is in the question. Converging. What is the meaning of converging? Focusing. The answer is, first of all, let me draw a simple diagram. Convex lens, principal axis, optical center, parallel rays. What is its working principle? See, a convex lens is also called a converging lens. The answer is a convex lens is also called a converging lens. Why? A convex lens is also called a converging lens as it converges, meaning focuses. Converges means focuses parallel rays to the focus. It converges, it means the convex lens converges parallel rays of light to the focus. जस्तो नाम त्यस्तै काम. It converges, so its name is converging lens. B. A concave lens. A concave lens is also called a diverging lens. First of all, let me draw a simple diagram. Draw a diagram of a concave lens. See, parallel rays of light. See, parallel rays of light from the focus O optical center. A concave lens is also called a diverging lens. The answer is a concave lens is also called a diverging lens as it diverges parallel rays of light away from the focus. प्यारल भएर आइरहेको लाइटलाई फोकसबाट डाइभर्ज स्प्रेड्स गराउँछ, त्यसैले यसको नाम डाइभर्जिङ लेन्स. इट डाइभर्जेस प्यारल रेज अफ लाइट, सो इट्स नेम इज डाइभर्जिङ लेन्स. कन्भर्जेस कन्भर्जिङ लेन्स, डाइभर्जेस डाइभर्जिङ लेन्स. Question number 6. Define the following terms. A number 1 diopter 1D. What is the meaning of 1 diopter? Sometimes this question can also be asked. 1 diopter. Actually, 1 diopter is the power of the lens, whose focal length is 1 meter. 1 meter focal length भएको लेन्सको पावर जति छ त्यसलाई 1 डायोप्टर भनिन्छ. 1 diopter 1D is the power of a lens having focal length 1 meter. Actually the formula is this: 1 by p equal 1 by focal length in meter. When focal length is 1 meter, the power is 1 diopter. B. Magnification. Short form M. It has, you can define magnification in two ways. Magnification is the ratio of the image distance V to the object distance distance of the object distance of the image distance. It is also the ratio of the image height to the object height. Ratio of the image height I for image height to the object height O. Actually it is not zero in you object height हो. So formula, magnification formula, what's the full form? Magnification equal image distance to the object distance, or image height to the object height. Formula: M equal image distance V, object distance U, equal image height I upon O. Ratio. So again, 1 diopter is the power of a lens having focal length 1 meter. 1 meter focal length भएको लेंस को पावर नहीं 1 diopter हो. Magnification is the ratio of the image distance V to the object distance U. It is also the ratio of the image height I to the object height O. Formula: magnification equal image distance upon object distance, or image height upon object height. M equal V by U or I upon O.